Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm in this really...
This is my last video.
The video just quit on me, but I'm on this really creepy road. Straight out of a horror movie. Like, I mean, seriously. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna cut this off until I get there. There's 2 vultures up here. That's crazy. Oh! Alright, I got enough. This is a tree farm, apparently. All in front. TBH, this is totally creepy. This is apparently Balti, an African gray parrot. What? What? You're so cool. Hi. You want a cracker? You want a cracker? Oh. That was loud. Did he whistle? I've never seen. You're really interesting. Hey guys, so look at this. Isn't that so cool? So I found the cat. It wasn't in the house. I guess the cat was out there. Let me see if I can zoom in and get a clear shot. There's the cat.
You want a beer? You want a beer?
Look at this view. It's crazy, real, like a horror movie, but it's still so cool. I mean, guys, have you like ever? Cause like me, never. So dope. Look, guys, a clownfish. Hi, you're so cute. Oh, don't be scared. Look at your house. It's nice. You like your cracker? Are we friends now? Yeah? I think he likes it, guys. Check back in on you later. Look at this, guys. I'm outside. It's pretty dope.
Look, there's eggs in here. A lot of times she goes way out there. I don't know if you can see it.
Emily!
That machine out there?
Yeah.
Really big machine in the woods? That thing?
Not that one?
Not the orange one. Oh, right straight here. Yellow one.
Oh, yeah.
We can go out there if you want, but that thing right there can knock down these trees like nothing.
Crazy.
That's how he made the road.
We're going to see the animals, guys. You can see the rooster. Oh, wow. Look at him. Why is he yelling? He's coming. They're coming. Oh my god, this is kind of creepy. Look how big he is. Is he mean? I guess I'm going in this thing now. Okay guys, so this is a mini cow, a donkey, and 3 goats. And chickens and roosters. Yeah. The cow's kind of mean. I guess she keeps trying to steal everyone's food. Well, hello there. Why are you yelling? Hi. What bird? The cow's very greedy. Yeah. She looks like she eats the most. The roosters aren't scared of her either. They're so cute. I'm playing darts and I'm winning. Alright guys, we're back and we have a surprise. We are at a Civil War cemetery. This is crazy because at the front part it looks very scary. It's literally a Civil War cemetery. These are people who were alive in Civil War. Like, I would love to go ghost hunting. And oh, there's a car coming. Are you out of the way? Yeah. I would love to go ghost hunting here. Oh, he's going straight. I would love to go ghost hunting. That person was alive in 1863. This person, I don't want to show any names, but this person right here was alive until 18... Coker. Wait, he was born in 1863 and died in 19 what? 1949. It's a woman. She. Mrs. W.F. Coker. Oh my God. Some of these places, some of these gravestones, these headstones, they don't have titles on them. That's her husband right there. That one looks really creepy. That one looks so creepy. I'm not showing anyone's headstone. I'm trying not to. My bad. 1858 to 1921. Where's no? So 1921 and 1940. So he died first. Yeah. He was also a little older. He was a little older. She was born in 1863. He was born in 1858. So he was... Can't you show the headstones? 7, 8 years older than she was. That's okay. typical. What is the ISOM that I keep seeing? I see ISOM all over the place. What does ISOM mean? Do you know?
His last name.
So there's a bunch of ISOM family members buried here?
Yeah. Isom?
Rowan is the second amount that I see. Rowan and ISOM. Thomas, I see Thomas everywhere.
Lancaster.
I don't want to really show, I'll do an overview, quick overview, but I'm not trying to really show their gravestones because it's disrespect to their family members. I'll just show this grass part right here. I don't want to disrespect their family. Just in case whoever's watching is part of their family's buried here. It's beautiful, but it's eerie at the same time. Like, it's beautiful because it's showing their lives and when they died.
This is where the zombie outbreak's going to start.
There's no zombies here.
This is where it's going to start.
There better not be no zombies. If I see a hand, I'm fucking out of here. I'm done.
Can I shoot then?
You can do whatever the fuck you want, but I'm getting my ass in the car and driving off.
Sure.
Alright, guys. These are the trees in the area. I'm moving on. I don't know what the next stop will be, but I'm moving on. I'm traveling. I'm having fun. And this is part of my adventure. So stay tuned. If you like this video, thumbs up. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright, guys. I have never seen this shit in my life. In real life, there is a fucking bull. Humongous. Humongous. Right here in front of me. He's got the ring and everything. Look at him. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. He's looking at me. Fuck. I'm getting in the car. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm so scared. Oh, he's huge. I've literally never seen him before. I've never seen a bull in real life. Ooh, I've never seen a bull in real life. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm tripping out because he's so... Where is he? He's so big. When we first passed by him, I thought he was a statue because he was huge.
Yeah, I told you it's real.
Ooh-wee. I don't like that at all. Alright, guys, I'm done with this video, the clip. But, oh my God, I had to film him. He's huge. What's up, guys? Now it is burger time. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah. Burgers. I'm excited. This is fun. And that was the little vlog for the day. I hope you guys liked it. Thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace.